Hello everyone. Okay, this is video number 15. I'm just going over the charts, just having a look at what's been happening today, and I've got the spaghetti indicator in front of me. Now, following G's rules, if we look here, we've got obviously the overbought line. If you look at the Swiss franc, okay, it's crossed over here, and we need to pick something below the zero line that is going from weak to strong, and obviously this is the first one here that is at the furthest extreme, the Aussie dollar. So what I've done is I brought this other chart up, I'll just put it onto 15, and I've plotted 11.15, look, 11.15, to see how the indicators look when that appears. If we were to draw a trend line here, it certainly has broken at this point. Because we're on a 15-minute chart and a 15-minute chart, let's go down to 5 minutes. Okay, I'm just going to put a line in here. Now, if we had all the indicators lining up, in fact, let me just put a secondary line in here. Okay, so if we put if we look at this secondary line here, so we've got two currencies, one's above, one's below. We're obviously the difference line here is up, but obviously at that point there it's actually sort of curled down slightly. We've got blue above average volume, the tick volume sloping upwards, and we've changed trend at this point. The on-balance volume is obviously going up, and it's crossed over my moving average, so that certainly works, and it works very, very well. If we look at the next one, it's the US dollar Swiss franc. So let's just have a look and see how that one panned out. I'll put it back onto the 15-minute chart. So we want USD Swiss franc. Okay, so right, so this is how the indicator's looking. Let's go down to the 5-minute chart and see where, if we just drag a secondary line across. If anyone wants to know how we do that from an existing line, if you click on it, double click on it, and then hold down the control key and drag it across, it brings you an extra line up. So I'll just get rid of one of them. Okay, so at this point here we've got blue volume, tick volumes going up, we've crossed, everything here is looking okay. The unbalanced volume has been going up. There is a retracement here, but it certainly goes in our favour. There was a big move, it slowed down a bit here, we've gone up, we've had a pullback, and then it's gone again. So yeah, that was certainly an interesting one as well. Let's have a look and see what else was there. Right, there's the Canadian dollar there, so let's have a look at that one. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. So Canadian dollar Swiss franc. So again, we're on a 15-minute chart. Let's go down to 5 and see how that looks. Wait for the thing to load up. There we go. So a 5-minute chart. Let's drag that line across. Okay, so at this point here, on balance volume's up, it's crossed our moving average. We've got blue volume, tick volume up, it's crossed the zero line. Currencies either side of the zero, we've got the difference line up above. It's a little bit choppy again, we've got a bit of retracement there, but certainly, yeah, it certainly works. The other ones here, look, is the New Zealand dollar. I guess we'd probably not touch that one because it's already crossed the zero, but certainly these three, 1, 2, 3, you know, there's only so many trades you can make, isn't there? But yeah, I just spotted that. I thought I'd do a quick video because it's an interesting one on the spaghetti indicator and our indicators here and so forth. So great, that was video 15. Bye chaps.